Is there a setup fee for Zip Pay? That's a great question, and one that many people are asking as they explore the world of buy now, pay later options. Zip Pay has become a go-to solution for those looking to manage their finances more flexibly. But before diving in, you are probably wondering, are there hidden costs or upfront fees lurking in the fine print? Today, we're breaking it all down. Let's start with the basics. Zip Pay is a digital payment platform that allows you to buy what you need now and pay it off in smaller, more manageable chunks over time. It's a fantastic alternative to credit cards, especially for those looking to avoid interest rates and lengthy approval processes. But here's the burning question: does it cost anything to set up an account? The short answer is no. Zip Pay does not charge a setup fee. That's right, you can create an account and get started without paying anything up front. It's one of the key reasons why Zip Pay has become so popular. But, as with most financial products, there are some details worth unpacking. Let's take a closer look at how Zip Pay makes money and what costs you might encounter along the way. How Zip Pay works. First, let's break down how Zip Pay functions. When you sign up, you're given access to a line of credit that you can use at participating retailers. This line of credit isn't a loan in the traditional sense. Instead, it acts more like a revolving account. You can spend up to your approved limit and then pay it back in installments. What makes Zip Pay attractive is the flexibility. You can choose a repayment schedule that works for you, whether it's weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. As long as you make the minimum monthly repayment, typically $40 in most cases, you're in good standing. Now, here's the part that trips some people up. While there's no setup fee, there are other fees that you should be aware of. Let's dive into those next. Monthly account fees. Zip Pay charges a small monthly account fee of $7. However, this fee only kicks in if you carry a balance. If you pay off your purchases in full by the end of the month, you won't incur this charge. Essentially, it's a fee for the convenience of spreading out your payments, but only if you choose to do so. Think of it as an incentive to stay on top of your payments. By paying off your balance each month, you can use Zip Pay without any additional costs beyond the price of your purchases. It's a win-win for those who are diligent about their finances. Late payment fees. While there's no setup fee, late payments are a different story. If you miss a repayment, you'll be charged a $5 late fee. This is standard practice across most buy now, pay later platforms, and it's designed to encourage timely payments. The good news? Zip Pay provides plenty of reminders to help you avoid these fees. You'll receive notifications before your due date, giving you ample time to ensure your account is funded. Plus, you can set up automatic payments to take the guesswork out of it. Interest-free model. One of the biggest draws of Zip Pay is its interest-free model. Unlike credit cards, which often come with high interest rates, Zip Pay allows you to make purchases without worrying about accumulating interest. This makes it an appealing option for those who want to avoid debt spirals. But here's the catch: the interest-free benefit only applies if you stick to the repayment terms. If you fail to make the minimum monthly repayment, the late fees we mentioned earlier will apply. So, while there's no setup fee, responsible usage is key to keeping Zip Pay cost-effective. How does Zip make money? You might be wondering, if there's no setup fee and no interest, how does Zip make money? Great question. The answer lies in merchant fees and account fees. When you make a purchase using Zip Pay, the retailer pays a small fee to Zip. This fee is similar to the interchange fees that businesses pay for credit card transactions. It's one of the reasons why Zip is able to offer its service to consumers without charging an upfront fee. Additionally, the $7 monthly account fee we discussed earlier contributes to Zip's revenue. These fees, while small, add up across millions of users, allowing the company to maintain its operations and continue offering its services. Tips to avoid fees. Now that we've covered the potential costs, let's talk about how you can avoid them. Here are some tips to help you use Zip Pay without incurring any additional charges. Pay your balance in full. If you can, pay off your balance before the end of the month to avoid the $7 account fee. Set up auto payments. Automatic payments can ensure you never miss a due date, avoiding late fees. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your purchases and ensure they're within your budget. This will make it easier to repay your balance on time. Use it sparingly. While Zip Pay is a convenient tool, it's best used for occasional purchases rather than regular expenses. This helps you maintain control over your finances. Comparing Zip Pay to other options. It's worth noting that not all buy now, pay later services are created equal. Some platforms charge setup fees or higher account fees, while others might impose interest on outstanding balances. Zip Pay's no setup fee model makes it stand out, but it's always a good idea to compare your options. For example, Afterpay and Klarna are two popular alternatives. Both offer interest-free repayment plans, but their fee structures differ. Understanding these differences can help you choose the service that best fits your needs. So, is there a setup fee for Zip Pay? No, there isn't. That's one less thing to worry about as you explore how this platform can fit into your financial strategy. However, like any financial tool, it's important to use it wisely. By understanding the fee structure and making timely payments, you can take full advantage of what Zip Pay has to offer without incurring unnecessary costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.